This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about floor mats, specifically this Comfy Feet non-slip floor mat. They come in two sizes. We have the 2x3. There's also a larger 3x5. It also comes in 7 colors. We have the black here, but it's also available in blue, red, dark red, which is a nice kind of almost burgundy maroon color, brown, green, and gray, meaning you have a lot of options to find something that works with your space, whether that's home or a retail store, a bakery, restaurant, or whatever. These are great options for both indoors and outdoors for your home or business, and they're going to be great for high traffic areas, especially say the front of house at a restaurant. They have a lovely ribbed pattern, which you can see here, right? And that is going to help catch excess dirt and also moisture and provide traction for your customers. They have a lovely vinyl backing, which makes them slip resistant, but is also going to trap any excess moisture they absorb and keep it from hitting your floors, which is fantastic, right? So especially if you have something like hardwood floors or another surface that needs a little extra protection when there's rainy days and you don't want things like water pooling on it, this is going to be a great option to help protect your floors, provide traction and a slip resistant surface for your customers, making it a great option for a busy home or a business.